Hello viewers, I'm Modi Francis from aerotechplusone and welcome to your 2.5 tutorial for bash scripting slash bash programming. Now in this tutorial we are going to go over the Goto and labels. Now I actually skipped a tutorial by accident, which is the one that's supposed to be tutorial 3, but whatever, 2.5, at least use a decimal for once. Now first of all, to understand it, let's put at echo off. Now the goto command, you should just go to goto and it has the label ID. The label is called A or ABC. It's actually to your preference, and this label will be a colon ABC. So this is the label here right now. I use the goto command and the label's name. You can have the label's name with the semicolon or without the semicolon if you'd like. It's up to your preference, but I'm going to do it without the semicolon. But remember, you can also do it with the semicolon. Now, this label and this label and this label are three different labels. Obviously, you could see different names. Now, what would be confusing will be ABC. Having two labels, the same name, I have two different types of command in it. And probably you would like me to demonstrate to you what it does. And let's go ahead and do it. So I'm going to save the desktop as lib.bat. I'm going to run it through the patch file. It just automatically closes even if I have the pause. Oh my bad, I had ABS, so go to ABC. Here it is. It goes to label 1, then label 2, which actually is label ABC, which both are the same names. So basically it's just an extension of the same label. So ABC above here, which echoes in, and ABC below, which echoes out, are just extension to ABC label. But these three are three different labels: ABC, LL, and MM. Now that here is part of label ABC. Label LL is part of echo out is part of label LL, and it's not label LL is not part of label ABC. And pause is part of label MM, but since we don't have a go to label MM, it's actually not part of it. Reason being is that we don't have any commands in here which when we go to MM to go to this. So if you had to go to MM, it automatically jump and skip these two, go to this one, meaning to begin here. It's going to echo out outie, and then it's going to show press any key to continue by the means of the pause command. But since we're just going to go to label ABC, it's going to skip all that, and since that here is a command and is one of the most necessary commands, then basically that's part of the whole program. So if that pause was just here, then when you press any key to continue, you'll just close the program. But if we skip and go to label MM, so you're going to skip those two labels above here and just gonna go to here. So since you don't have a pause, it's just going to echo outie in a millisecond, and just close the command prompt immediately. So Now basically that's it for labels and the Goto command. But also for you to know, you can just go to, in the next tutorial I'll demonstrate to you. You can just go to in if statements, so if true or if false. Actually if true, then it will go to, you have a Goto command, and if false, which is the else part of the if statement, or else if, or if else, sorry, then you can have a Goto also. So basically use the Goto command to go to a label. So see you guys in the next tutorial. You have more understanding of labels or and Goto. So thanks for watching.